Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I will be showing you how I pack my Be Supplied by Ju-Ju-BeBe for 3. So let's just get right to it. So this is my Be Supplied. I will start off with the outside pockets. I do attach the messenger strap, I just didn't want it hanging on there for the video. So in this mommy pocket, I have just my basic things that I always carry with me. I have my wallet, a small set piece, and this has all of my little lip products and mints and earbuds, my breast pads, and my phone would usually go in here along with my keys, but my keys are hanging by the door and my phone is charging. In this side pocket, I have a small set piece. This is the Black Petals print. And this holds my son's Hot Wheels. My daughter also plays with these when we're out, but he usually requests these. And on the other side, mesh pocket, I have Kleenex and wet ones. I also have this little saline solution nose spray for either of my kids. And in the back pocket, this does not include a change pad, but what I do have in here is a disposable change pad, a white pouch, and an indestructible book. And this is my favorite pocket, and the reason why I love this bag so much. In here I have my daughter's Wubbanub, and attached to the Wubbanub I do have a cutie clip. This is by Ryan Rose. Then I have 2 water bottles. These are by Zoli, one for each of my toddlers. I have an emergency kit coin purse filled up with lollipops. And then I have just a few snacks. I could easily fit more in here, but I have a fig bar and some fruit snacks along with 2 applesauce pouches. And I love this pocket because it's easy to grab all of those items, which is what I usually reach for the most. So for the inside, so as you can see right on top, I have 1 item, and this is my nursing cover along with a burp rag. These are both by Copper Pearl and both in the Bloom print. And as you can see, I have a large and medium and then another item. This is a swaddle blanket. I am most likely to pull this out as soon as we are in the car, but I have it in there just to show that it does fit. This is in the same print, also by Copper Pearl. In the medium set piece, I have a wet bag in a size newborn onesie. And in the large set piece, I have 2 size 6 diapers and 4 size 1 diapers. So I don't have anything else in this main compartment, but in the back zippered pocket, nail clippers, a small flashlight, a Kate Spade phone charger, a nail file, and a coin purse. And this has a little foldable brush and a bunch of little hair things along with band-aids. And that's everything that was inside of my diaper bag. So I have to say that I got this bag to use exclusively as my little pumping bag, just to have everything in one area. I used to have another pumping bag with my actual pump, and I just liked being able to grab it and know that everything's in there. However, I love how this packs for 3. I think that that pump pocket is perfect for just snacks and bottles and just things that I tend to grab a lot. So I love that easy access through that pump pocket. I think that it is a small bag, but it really does fit everything I need for all 3 of my kids, and I love it. I obviously love the print. So I think it is a really great option if you have 3 kids or a toddler and a newborn. I highly recommend it. So if you like this or found this useful, don't forget to show me with a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. If you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.